The M224 60mm Mortar system is one of the most versatile and widely used indirect fire support weapons in modern military operation. It serves as an essential tool for infantry units, offering light, portable firepower with significant flexibility in delivering high explosive rounds over a short to moderate range. Known for its adaptability in different combat scenarios, the M224 is especially valued for its ease of use, rapid deployment, and accuracy. The M224 mortar system was developed in the 1970s to replace the older M2 and M19 models, which had been in service since World War II. The goal was to create a lightweight, yet powerful mortar that could be quickly deployed and operated by small teams. The M224 incorporated modern materials and design principles, leading to improved performance in terms of range, accuracy, and rate of fire. By the early 1980s, the M224 became a standard issue for the U.S. military, particularly within infantry, airborne, and special operations units. The M224 system comprises several key components, all designed to be lightweight and easily carried by a 2- or 3-person crew. Key components. Cannon M225-01. The barrel of the M224 is a smooth-bore, high-strength steel tube. It allows for the firing of both conventional and newer extended-range ammunition. Bipod M170-01. This component provides stability during firing and allows for adjustments in elevation and direction. Baseplate M701 or M8. The M701 baseplate is larger and used for conventional operations, while the M8 baseplate is a smaller, handheld option for quick or emergency firing missions. Sight unit M67. The M67 sight allows for precise targeting, critical for indirect fire missions where accuracy can make a significant difference in supporting infantry maneuvers. Specifications. Caliber: 60mm. Weight: 21.1 lbs complete system with the M701 baseplate. Maximum range: 3,490 meters with extended range ammunition. Minimum range: 70 meters. Rate of fire: up to 30 rounds per minute for short periods with a sustained rate of 20 rounds per minute. Crew: typically 2 to 3 soldiers. Ammunition types. The M224 is designed to fire a variety of 60mm mortar rounds, giving it great tactical flexibility in the field. The most common ammunition types include high explosive rounds. These rounds are designed to provide fragmentation effects against enemy personnel or light vehicles. Illumination rounds. These rounds are used to light up the battlefield during night operations or poor visibility conditions. White phosphorus WP rounds. White phosphorus rounds create smoke screens for concealment or signaling and can also serve as incendiary weapons. Training rounds. Inert rounds used during practice exercises. The extended range versions of these rounds allow the M224 to reach targets up to 3,490 meters, which significantly enhances its battlefield utility compared to older 60mm mortar systems.
Fire!
One of the most distinctive features of the M224 is its versatility in combat. The system can be fired in 2 different modes. Conventional mode. This involves the use of the full mortar system, including the bipod, baseplate, and sighting equipment. It allows for precise, sustained fire from a fixed position. Handheld mode. In this configuration, the mortar can be fired without the bipod or baseplate. This reduces the system's weight and deployment time, allowing for quick reaction fire during close combat situations or when speed is crucial. The trade-off is reduced accuracy and range. The handheld mode is particularly useful for small, fast-moving infantry or special operations teams that require indirect fire support but cannot afford the weight or bulk of the full system. Typically, the M224 Mortar team consists of 3 personnel. Squad leader, responsible for target selection, fire direction, and overall coordination of the team's actions. The squad leader communicates with forward observers and commanders to ensure effective fire support. Gunner. The gunner operates the sighting and aiming equipment, ensuring the mortar is correctly positioned for firing. They make adjustments to the elevation and traverse to target enemy positions. Assistant gunner loader. The assistant gunner handles the ammunition and loads each round into the mortar tube. They assist the gunner in preparing the system and adjusting settings when necessary. With a well-trained crew, the M224 can deliver continuous and accurate fire, offering crucial support to ground forces in combat. Advantages: portability. At just over 21 pounds for the complete system, the M224 is lightweight and can be quickly broken down into its components for easy transport by infantry units. Flexibility. Its ability to fire in both handheld and conventional modes makes the system adaptable to a wide range of combat scenarios. High rate of fire. The M224's ability to sustain a high rate of fire for short periods can deliver devastating firepower in support of infantry assaults. Extended range. The M224's range, especially with extended range ammunition, allows for indirect fire support at a greater distance than older 60mm systems. Limitations: limited effectiveness against heavy armor. The M224 is not designed to penetrate heavily armored vehicles or fortifications. Its primary role is against personnel and light vehicles. Shorter range compared to larger mortars. While versatile, the 60mm mortar has a shorter range and smaller payload compared to larger systems like the 81mm or 120mm mortars, limiting its use in some extended range scenarios. The M224 60mm mortar system remains a vital component of infantry operations due to its balance of portability, firepower, and ease of use. It is ideal for providing immediate and responsive indirect fire support to small units operating in a variety of terrains and combat conditions. Over decades of service, the M224 has proven its worth in numerous conflicts, and it continues to be an essential asset for modern military forces worldwide.